Hey guys, just got home from school. It's up. But today I got this in the mail. My new camera. I ordered the Canon R700. And for some reason it does not come in a Canon box. It just comes in this blank white box for some reason. But how do I know it's the camera, you ask? Well, I'll show you. As you can see on the package label, it says Canon VIXIA HFR700, which is the model I ordered. So that's how I know it's the camera. Also down here it says Canon camcorder. So some of you guys are probably wondering, why is it not brand new or in a brand new box like I showed you guys in the item last week? Well, I didn't get the amount of money I was expecting, but I still got a good amount of money. I got like $490, and I didn't want to waste a brand new one for $200, so I just found a refurbished one for about $140. And for some reason, it came in this box and not a refurbished Canon box. Oh yeah, just to show you guys what else I got for my birthday. Here's the first thing. This is an iPhone 6. This is not an SE. Well, if some of you guys are wondering that, let me explain. So about a few days ago, I accidentally dropped the phone like down here, and it kind of landed on the side like here or here, I don't know where, but it hit the floor and the screen popped out. I wasn't able to pop this top part back in, and it jacked up the bottom part of the screen, meaning I couldn't log into the phone. And I needed to log into the phone because I had data to back up. Otherwise, if I fix my SE, then I wouldn't be able to back up all my data, and I would technically just lose it all. So instead I decided to wait for my money to fix the screen, and now as you can see, it works. I have no more errors like I showed you guys the last time. As you can see, touch is completely responsive. Also now on Snapchat, whenever I try to zoom in, it doesn't stop the recording. Let me show you an example. So you can see, I'm going to zoom it in. See? Recording does not stop. So now, this phone is back to working condition. I'll probably keep it for another extra year. Also, right now there's no screen protector and I don't have a case. But I ordered one on eBay for about $10. I ordered an OtterBox for $10 and a screen protector for about $7. So, that's one of the first things I got for my birthday. Alright, the next thing I got was a brand new laptop. This right here is the HP Stream 14, and it's a pretty big computer as you guys can see. I honestly thought my dad ordered the HP Stream 11. Some of you guys are probably wondering, why didn't I get that Lenovo ThinkPad I showed you? Well, the reason why I didn't get the Lenovo ThinkPad is because when I showed it to my dad, he already knew it looked kind of old, so he recommended me to buy this instead, and I had to pay about $60 to $70 more extra dollars. Overall, I'd say it was worth it because this is a really nice computer as you can see. As you can see here, it has 4 gigabytes of RAM and only 32 gigabytes of hard drive storage. As you can see, I have already completely set it up with everything. I have Windows Movie Maker, I have Microsoft Expression Encoder 4, Roblox, Hangouts, iTunes. I got a bunch of stuff on here already. Oh, well, I don't know why this just turned on for some reason. So this video you're watching was edited on this bad boy right here. Now my editing can be a lot faster and a lot easier now with this handy computer. Alright, and that's basically one of the 2 out of 3 things that I got for my birthday. And now, for the main event, the Canon VIXIA HFR700 unboxing. I'm probably not going to keep this box because I think that the only thing that it comes with camcorder, battery, and charger, as it did say on the listing. And I don't know why for some reason this didn't come in a Canon refurbished box. Oh well, enough stalling. Let's unbox this now. Oh yeah, I was going to buy accessories for this at Walmart, maybe today. But I didn't have time to. So I guess, I don't know what I'm going to use for a memory card. Maybe currently my 16 gigabyte memory card that I have on this camera. And maybe tomorrow I'll buy another memory card with 64 gigabytes. I don't know about that. But anyway, let's open this now. Oh man, this is going to make my videos look so much better. Whoa, it's pretty big. I don't know why. Alright, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it a bit better. There we go. So let's take a look here. Looks like it comes with, here's the charger, and where's the battery? It said it came with, oh, I think it's in here. Oh, it's already on here. Alright, boys and girls, here it is. The moment of truth, the new camera. Here it is. Oh, it's not showing it. Alright, here we are, boys and girls. The Canon R700. This is an older model from 2016, as you can see. Looks really nice. I'm gonna zoom back out just a tiny little bit. So, as you can see here, VIXIA HFR700. Oh, it's not focusing. Whatever. Even if it doesn't focus, that's okay. I can still set it up anyway. Or these now I have a better camera, and this doesn't have focus problems. Alright, I don't know if this thing has a charge, so we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. Luckily, this uses a wall charger instead of an actual battery charger. So now, I can go ahead and plug it into the wall at any time now. Alright, there's the charging port. Had a little bit of trouble finding that. And there we have a red light indicating it's charging. I assume that it will turn green once it's done, so I'll wait for that. I don't know how long it's going to take, maybe more than an hour, maybe less. But I'm just going to wait for it right here, its new home. And I'll get back to you with a sample clip from this camera soon. Also, I know I said I was going to be using my old 16GB memory card that I have on this camera, but actually I decided that instead I'm going to be using my old 64GB memory card that I used to have on this camera. This is the one that made my files glitch up a bit, so I'm just really hoping it does not do that, because, you know, I don't want a memory card like this. So this is not going to be my permanent memory card. It's just for today. Tomorrow I'm going to Walmart, buy some new accessories, so I'll buy another 64GB memory card. So let's go ahead and insert it. I may have to zoom it in a bit. So, alright, and here it's pop it into here. Oh shoot, I turned it on by accident. I turned it on. Alright, let's stick it into here real quick. Kind of goes in sideways for some reason to save space. Alright, so this camera is not done charging yet. As you can see, we still have a red light, and it's starting to get dark outside, as you guys can see, because now we are in daylight savings time, so it gets dark a lot earlier. Right now it is 5:30, and that's bad because that's the time the sun sets, so I want to get some outside footage of how this camera would look. So alright, I'm gonna let it charge for a few more minutes, maybe like an hour or an extra. I don't know if it's not showing a green light for this if it's done charging, so I really hope it is done, like at least soon. So I'm gonna stop filming, and I will be right back whenever this has a lot more charge, or if it's fully charged. Alright guys, so it's been about an hour now. As you can see right now, it is now 6:27, and the light is still on red for the charging indications, but I think after an hour I think I got a good amount of charge. So let's go ahead and start setting up this camera. I'm going to get a good angle for it. Alright, here we go. And you can flip it to turn it on, so that's pretty cool. Great for getting that quick shot. And we want English. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so today's date is November 15, 2018. And this camera is touchscreen, as you guys can see, and the current time is 6:28 p.m. I hate when they don't let you set AM and PM manually. You just have to set it up until it goes to the right time. Alright, I want to get it as quick as possible. Okay, yeah, hurry up. Ideal for web upload and HD movie, ideal for playback. We want web. I don't know what bay mode is, but it sounds useless. Alright, and there we go. Setup is complete. Oh, I forgot to open the lens cap. Yes, it's telling me that. What the hell? And the memory card cover is open too. A lot of things open right now. And there we go. And it's starting to focus. Alright, before we start shooting on this camera, I'm gonna change a quick setting, which is the video quality. Let's go to, oh wait, no, it's on here, recording setup. Video quality is right now, this is 60p recording, which is the highest quality. Gives me 4 hours of recording time, so when I buy the new 64GB memory card, this is how much it'll give me of recording time. And this is one of the reasons I wanted to buy this, so I could have better quality. So, did that do it? Yep. And there we go. I think we are ready to start filming on this camera now. I'm gonna miss filming with this power shot. I filmed a lot of great videos with this camera, including my vacation to San Antonio vlog and a bunch of other videos. But, you know, it's time to move on. Alright, here we go. The next clip's gonna be with the new Canon VIXIA. Alright guys, this is a test on the new Canon VIXIA R700. And here's my desk, here's my old camera, my earbuds, my tripod, my laptop, my phone, there's my desk. This is my room, as you can see. Let's see how I look here in the mirror. Dang, I look good. This camera quality is really dang. Now let's see how I look. Heck yes. This is a great quality camera already. It's honestly pretty great right now, and this could be my main camera for maybe I don't know how long, for quite a long time. Alright, let's test out the zoom. Okay, it's pretty fast. Oh, that's the digital zoom. Alright, looks like this does have its image stabilization as it's on YouTube, and also I can't go outside to do outside tests because it's already really dark, so honestly there's no point of going outside. Alright guys, so that's it. This is the test of the Canon VIXIA, voice crack, the Canon VIXIA R700. Tell me what you guys think of this. I honestly think it's great. The 60 frames looks really nice. So this will be my main shooter for quite a long time. I'd say probably for a year, I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this camera, the quality, and this video. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.